experiment. Cut! What we're gonna be testing is how strong is the Hold Me Down Adhesive, original Hold Me Down Adhesive, watermelon Hold Me Down Adhesive, Hold Me Down Adhesive Sport, which is the new one. In addition to using these, I followed each step. I cleaned every single thing off with alcohol, then let it dry. I also went in with the Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard, which is very, very important when you're using this collection. The preparation consists of using some alcohol. It's really, really simple. It's just alcohol and then the skin guard. We're gonna use 91% alcohol. If you have sensitive skin, it's recommended to use something like witch hazel, a toner, something that's very, very gentle on your skin. Let it dry. I applied the adhesive on each one.
I really love this part of the video because you can literally see what the skin guard does. It preps, disinfects, and primes the skin. It literally creates a barrier that protects your skin from the adhesive. Especially if you sweat and have oily skin, same thing that you would apply the prep and prime for your face, it's the same reason why you would apply it for a lace. Don't ever forget that.
Let that dry. I did use a blow dryer to speed up the process, but pretty much I just dried all of them, then stuck the pieces of the lace down. So today what we're going to be testing is just how strong the adhesive is, and you know all of these things have different weights. This is a basketball, then we have a honeydew melon, a bottle of Bel Air, and a paint of, I'm saying a gallon of paint. So the Hold Me Down Sport, I did just choose to use it on the basketball since you know sport, and yeah, let's see. Now this one is the honeydew melon. We did use the watermelon Hold Me Down adhesive for this one. A lot of people always ask what's the difference between the two. The only difference is some people seem to think that the watermelon is stronger than the original stronger than the watermelon. Whatever your preference may be, baby, I'm here to tell you that the only difference that we did as a company was made this one scented. We are the very first to have a scented adhesive. Don't ever forget it. It smells so sweet and it's different. It's very unique. I love it.
Hold it by the ends.
This shit heavy.
Hold it by the ends and swing it across. A real harder, like more side, yes. Come on.
This shit slipping out my hand.
But throwing that shit like that's a kettlebell.
All right, so the next contestant that we have is my absolute favorite drink ever. This one we use the original Hold Me Down adhesive, the OG. The very last contestant that we have is this 1 can of gallon.
No, 1 gallon. Y'all got to excuse her. I'm making her nervous, man.
1 gallon of paint. 1 can, I wanted to say like 1 can of paint.
1 can of a gallon.
Anyway, it's a gallon. It's super heavy.
It look like them roses that people order. I don't know why. Because they got the hair on it.
Okay, so what I did was glued it from side to side because this one was a frontal. So, as you can see, I glued it from side to side. This one, I use all 3 adhesives. So I mixed the Sport with the watermelon with the original. And I did the same exact prep process. I cleaned it off with alcohol, then proceeded to spray the skin guard. So let's see. It's the grand finale. Gotta get the grip on here. I'm kind of nervous. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Jeez, it's heavy.
Hold it higher.
Be careful now, 7. Watch out. Jesus Christ. Oh, I could work out with this.
Crazy, man. Hold it closer to the end even more. Get closer and closer.
I don't want to mess the tape. Kids, do not try this at home. It's safe to say that Hold Me Down is holding things down. And at this point, I'm convinced. If you say it don't work, you either lying, not doing it right, or you're a paid actor. That's all. You could fight a bitch with this on.